liwanag ng ating tatay.
Sigaw mo sa amin, tumigil at magsinig.
At this one time, thank you so much. We would like to thank our local government units of Pampanga, headed by our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Ronald Velasco Lara, sa pagsuporta sa Dikanato Kanin sa Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi na oras is not about arguments. It's not about fighting. But rather,